This is one of the most interesting skincare products I've ever tried. Is it itching you? I feel itchy. Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki, and today I'm coming at you with a very interesting video. So, First Aid Beauty recently sent me in PR this Ultra Repair Cannabis Oat Dry Oil. So, when I first saw cannabis, I immediately thought marijuana, weed, ganja, skunk, whatever you like to call it. So, this isn't sponsored, by the way. They did send it to me in PR though, but I can tell you whether I like it, I hate it, I don't, I love it, whether I get high or not. So when I first originally saw cannabis, I'll show you close-ups of it. It's a face oil. I thought, cool, this is like CBD oil. If you're not in that whole world, if you haven't been hearing all the rage, God, I sound like a grandma. But if you haven't been hearing all the news, CBD oil is everywhere. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Do any of you use CBD oil? A lot of people have been saying they've been using it for anxiety, for stress. There are some clinical studies. I feel like this is getting into a little bit of a class, but there have been some clinical studies. I think there's only 2 clinical studies that have shown that CBD oil helps with childhood epilepsy. I think there's like 2 specific types or something. Don't quote me on that. But those are the only studies that are out there. But CBD oil, people are using it to help them sleep with chronic pain. It's very interesting now that marijuana has become legal, I think in 30 states. So that's a whole other thing. But if you use CBD oil, I'd love to hear in the comments down below why you use it, how you use it. Yeah, so when I saw cannabis in this, I thought this either has marijuana in it. I literally thought that because I'm a grandma, or it has CBD oil in it. But then when I did my further research, I saw that this actually has, it's called, I'm looking at the ingredients. Okay, where is it? It's called Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil, which I learned, my friends, is from the hemp plant, which is a little confusing because, so essentially it's a hemp oil. And what's confusing is that cannabis oil and hemp oil are different. It's all very confusing. It's a lot. We're just gonna try the oil and see what happens. It has the most interesting smell I have ever smelled in a skincare product. I'll show you close-ups. It's just a clear, very thin, liquidy, like very liquid, almost like water oil, very lightweight. How do I describe it? It smells kind of like soap. It smells nice. I mean, it just smells clean. It smells like soap. Like body wash soap? No, like bar soap, like old school Dove soap mixed with a little palm olive. I don't know how to describe it. So I thought, let's just try it and see what happens. I'd like to do a video. Oh wow, it's very lightweight, like very lightweight. I just want to put it on half of my face. As you can tell, I have no makeup on. I'm going to show you what I use to wash my face, but I just want to do it on half of the face and see if we see a difference. Leave it on for like 30 minutes, see how the skin feels. It just has the most interesting smell ever. All right, I've had this on for about 10 minutes and I've been reading. You guys, it's all very confusing. I don't understand. I think that cannabis sativa oil is cannabis oil. It's so confusing. Hey, I am not claiming to be the expert here. I am trying to learn. It's very confusing. So I'm not sure if this is cannabis oil, if it's hemp oil. Everywhere I look, there's different things. So if you know any better than I do, let me know in the comments down below. But this is one of the most interesting skincare products I've ever tried. So remember, we put it on this side of the face. It feels firm. It's weird. And I need to look up close in a mirror, but my face just feels really oily and firm and a little bit like it's tingling. I'm like, am I having some sort of psychosomatic experience? Because my face just feels like it's pulling together. I feel like we should call the boyfriend in and see if it does it to him. Babe! Come here! Try it on someone with very dry skin. Come here. Do you mind if I try some cannabis oil on a part of your face? I'm having some psychosomatic. No, It's cannabis sativa oil. Sit down. It's like itchy and firming. It's crazy. Sit down.
Does this have psycho whatever? Does this have THC in it?
No. Let's move up.
Smooth? I didn't do my hair.
Oh God, he's always worried about his hair.
I gotta look at this product. Hold on.
It's sold in Sephora. It doesn't have THC in it.
Sure. Cannabis and oak.
It has cannabis oil, which is from the cannabis sativa plant. It's all very confusing.
Sativa.
Okay, we're just gonna do one side of his face like mine.
It's all oily.
Yeah, it's an oil.
No, here, me.
No, I'll do it.
Great. We are recording, right?
Of course.
It's going in my eyes.
One side.
Okay, well, I'm doing forehead. What is it supposed to do? Is it just like
cannabis sativa seed oil? But what's confusing is that hemp
Talk to the
oil.
people.
I've already told them. I don't understand. Hemp oil, cannabis sativa oil, both come from the hemp plant. All right, guys. So as you see, the boyfriend felt nothing. I literally feel like my skin has become firmer. It was a little itchy at first, and now my skin just feels really moisturized and firm. It's very interesting. I'm gonna keep using this and I'm gonna update you guys. So let me show you what I used on my face before. I have no makeup on. I tried this for the first time today. I'll show you a close-up. This is the Clarins Gentle Foaming Cleanser with shea butter for dry and sensitive skin. Now, I don't have dry skin. I have more combo to oily skin, but I really like this. I don't usually like foaming cleansers. I always tell you guys, I'm a big fan of Clarins. I feel like they're very underrated here on YouTube. Nobody really talks about them. I feel like they're a bit of a mature brand. They've been around for a really long time, I believe. Think so. I know my mom always uses them. And I really love them. I love their night cream. It's a bit of an investment. But it is totally worth it if you're looking for a moisturizing, firming night cream. I'll leave a link to that down below too. Something new that I've been trying, you guys know I'm a big fan of Sol de Janeiro. I love their Coco Cabana cream. I'll leave a link to that down below. It literally smells like chocolate cake. My boyfriend loves the smell. I went to meditation class. Yes. Oh my God. Every time I say I went to meditation class, I feel like I sound very like, oh, I went to meditation anyways. And literally the teacher stopped me and she was like, who smells like that? What is that chocolate smell? You have to smell that stuff. I'll leave a link to it down below. But this is their shower gel. It smells just like the Bum Bum cream. Their signature scent. Oh, it smells like pistachio, chocolate, caramel goodness. Oh, I love it. And you get a lot. You get 13 ounces. So I've been loving that. And then some goodies from Real Techniques. Well, first of all, my favorite brush brand is Luna Glow. If you didn't know, I have my own. We're actually evolving into more of like a beauty store. I just put in the inventory some makeup bags that I've been loving. And I have my own brush line. So if you want to check that out, I always leave it linked in the description box. It's always the first thing I link because I'm very proud of it. So, second favorite brushes in the world, Real Techniques. I think I own, honestly, every brush Real Techniques has ever released. I love them. They're affordable. They last you for years. I did a full review on their powder blue collection. That's one of my favorite collections that they've done. It was these blue brushes. I'll go get it. I'll show you. They're gorgeous. Hold on. Here's one of my favorites. This is the it's called the B05 brush. Oh my, it is so soft. I don't even know if you can still buy these. If you can, I'll leave a link to them down below. I love these brushes. It doesn't even look like it's from Real Techniques. But anyways, I love Real Techniques. They were kind enough to send me their sculpting set and their flawless base set. And they come with these little stands. I actually already own the sculpting set. It comes with a stand that looks like this. And you can put your brushes in it. I like to take this with me traveling for I was gonna say for example, but anywhere I travel, I take it. And you can just, it's a nice way to hold your brushes up because a lot of times I travel with my makeup brushes in a bag. So it's nice to have them out, especially if I'm traveling somewhere for quite a while. It's nice to just have them out, standing up. They're just good quality, affordable brushes. They're just amazing. I've been telling you guys about them for years. I love them. So, all right, I've had this on for 20 minutes. And it is literally the most interesting skincare product I've ever tried. I feel firm, moisturized, and the itching has subsided. This is a newer product, so I don't know if any of you have tried this, but if you have, let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Educate me on CBD oil, cannabis, sativa, seed oil, hemp oil, because I'm sure I said about 50 things in this video that were incorrect. Well, maybe 1 or 2 I said was correct. It's like the wild, wild west out there right now with marijuana, especially CBD oil, because it's not regulated yet. I feel like it's just exploding and everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. So if you'd like to educate us, let us know in the comments down below. Let us know if you use CBD oil. How do you use it? I have a friend that uses it to help her sleep, and she loves it. She said it helps her a lot. I take melatonin to sleep, and she said it's better than melatonin. So let us know in the comments down below what's up, what you think about it. If you need a good laugh, I did a video with a compilation of beauty fails. You need to watch it. It's very funny. It's a short, quick, funny video.
What exactly is this thumbnail for?
Act like we're looking at a big weed leaf over there.
Are you hallucinating or are you actually setting up a thumbnail? I'm not sure.
Act like there's a big weed leaf right over there. And he's asking us if we have our IDs.
By the way, the song you're hearing right now, this guy made it. Check out his SoundCloud. Sit down.
I want to go. What are we doing?
Look at the thumbnail. I'm going to do a screen grab.
Oh.
Hold it.
You don't need a screen. What?
Okay, now look at the screen and do that.